everyone, and welcome back to my channel. In today's video we're going to be learning how to cut this BUBA crop top with bare sleeves. So if it's something that interests you, make sure to watch the end of the video, like, share and subscribe. So let's go right into it. The first thing is to impute our measurement. We'll be cutting both the back and the front together. That means my fabric is on fold. The width of the fabric I'm working with is my bust circumference divided by 4 plus extra 3 inches. It depends on how big you want it. You can do more than 3 inches, right? And then the next thing is to come down to mark my bust point, which is 10 inches. From my shoulder to my bust point is 10 inches, and I'm going to extend that line across this way. From my bust line, I'm going to come up by 1 inch. You can do 2 inch, which is going to serve as my chest line, and I will extend the line across this way. So I'll come to the top of the fabric here, impute my shoulder measurement divided by 2. My shoulder is 16 divided by 2 is 8 inches. I'll chalk it down. Then I'll extend the point all the way to the chest line with my straight rope. So I'll still come here. I'll mark my neck width of 3 inches. You can do 3.5. Then I'll come down by 1 inch here for my shoulder slope. I'll connect it into the neck width this way. Remember, we are cutting both the back and the front together. For the back neckline, I'm going to mark 1 inch for the neck depth. Then I'm going to connect from the neck width all the way to this 1 inch. So this is for the back. Then for the front neck depth, I'm going to come down by 7 inches because we have like a V neckline, right? So I'm going to come down by 7 inches. It depends on how deep you want it. You can do lower or higher. Then I'll connect it this way. So the next thing is to impute our bust measurement. My bust divided by 4, I'm going to chalk it down here. So I'm going to add extra 3 inches to the measurement. Then I'll come here. I will divide what I have here into 2 equal halves to get the midpoint. Then I'm going to go in by half an inch here. Then I'm going to connect all the way to the chest line to form our armhole like this. You can use your free hand to do this. So I'm going to measure what I have here. Whatever I have there, I'm going to take it to the base and I'm going to chalk it down there. I'll connect the 2 points together. Remember, it's a free top, so we don't want it fitted. So that is basically it. I'll go ahead and cut it. We are going to cut the back neckline first. Make sure you cut the back neckline first, and then we're going to cut every other thing out. So I'm going to take one of the pieces out just so we can cut the front neckline. So I'm going to take this. This is going to be for the back. I'll go ahead and cut the front neckline. So this is basically it for the drafting of this top. It's a very simple tutorial. You can see this is the front piece. So the next thing I'm going to do right now is to cut out facing to turn the neckline. You can actually use your bias to turn the neckline, but I'll be using facing to turn it. So if you are using facing, just put your fabric on fold and trace the neckline out this way, just the way you see me doing. So this is basically it for it. Like I said, you can use your bias. It is not compulsory to do this. You can use your bias to just turn the neckline. So once you open it up this way, this is how it's going to look like. We are going to do the same thing to the back. I'm going to take this piece here and I'm going to place my back neckline, trace it out just the way we did to the front piece. You can see it's looking exactly like the neckline. We're going to place them. I'm going to place this piece right side to right side, then I'll turn it. I'll sew it down and iron it. It's the same thing we're going to do to the front. I'm going to place it this way, right side facing right side. I'm going to sew all the way, turn it to the other side and iron it properly. So I've already gone ahead to do that. You can see how properly ironed it is. So we're going to place the back pattern and the front pattern together this way, and we're going to turn the shoulder. We're going to join the shoulder and the side. I'll go ahead and do that and show you guys. So I've already gone ahead to do that. We've joined the shoulder and then the side. The next thing we're going to do right now is to draft the sleeve. So we're going to cut the bow sleeve together. We're going to cut it together. So the width of the fabric I'm working with is my round sleeve measurement divided by 2 plus extra 6 inches. So I'm going to come down by 4.5 inches here. I'm going to mark it all the way and then extend the line like this. Then I'm going to measure around my armhole. Whatever I have there, I'm going to impute it on this line, on this 4 inches line here. So I got about 948. I'm going to chalk it down here, and then I'm going to add 1 inch seam allowance. I'm going to connect from up here like a slanted S. You know how we do our sleeve, like a slanted S, like this, to meet that point. Then from this point I'll slant it all the way down. It's a bare sleeve, it is not fitted. Just take it all the way down. If you feel like I am fast with the sleeve, let me know in the comment section so that we can do another tutorial on the sleeve. I think we've done tutorial on bare sleeve before, but if you want me to still do it again, please do let me know in the comment section. And that is basically it for the drafting of the bare sleeve. It's a very simple tutorial. So the next thing we're going to do right now is to attach our sleeve to the bodies. So I'll go ahead and do that and come back to show you guys. I'll also fold the down part of my top, then I'll come back to show you guys the final look. I've already gone ahead to do that. I've attached my sleeve and fold the down part. You can see how neat and beautiful the top is looking. It's a very simple tutorial. You can cut and sew this within 10 minutes. So make sure to pay attention to the video and watch the end so you don't miss out on anything. Thank you so much for staying tuned. If I've watched to this point and you have not yet subscribed to my channel, please do well to hit on the subscribe button. Subscription is totally free. Like and do well to share. Make sure to drop your opinion, drop your comment so that algorithm can recommend this video to more people. Thank you so much. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. See you in my next video.